Turkish Riviera. Hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, that's population. So this is where we are staying. Let's do a room tour. This is the cozy living area. It is beautifully decorated to my liking. I love the aesthetics of this place. It's so fresh, clean and bright. Let's head on to our bedroom. It's very homey, bright, plenty of natural light gets in, and it has a Greek feel to it. As you can see, Ducky has already taken her spot on the bed. I love these bathroom tiles. The bathroom looks fresh and clean. It's one of the main reasons why we chose this place. Welcome to the charming rooftop terrace where we relax during the day or in the evenings. What you doing here? Let's pause to admire this exquisite view of the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea. Makes you think about life. Simply amazing. Hi. Good morning. So pretty. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the